Welcome to Manager SE Inspections. In this video, you'll see how the MPI report looks from the customer side. When your customer opens their email, they will see a link included in the message to view their inspection. With the View Your Multi-Point Inspection link selected, the customer will be directed to a web page that opens to display the MPI. The customer will review inspection results along with any photos or video added to support the inspection findings. The screen also clearly shows each MPI item details and prices. This total also includes any work booked previously to the inspection, which is listed here as mandatory since it was already committed to. Once the MPI results are reviewed, the customer can select which items to approve. Then they will tap on Authorize and see a summary screen. Lastly, they select Pay on Pickup. The Workshop View screen shows success once the message has been returned to the shop. Thanks for watching.